If you want to change your Yahoo Mail phone number, then this is how you're going to do it. So first step, you're going to head over to mail.yahoo.com, and then once you're in, you're just going to log in with your account, or you can sign up to an account. Now from your inbox or your dashboard, you're just going to head over to your profile icon right here at the top right corner of the screen, and then from there, you're just going to click on manage your account. Now, once you click on manage your account, you're going to have to go through security measures by logging in with your account once again. So you're just gonna type in your email as well as your password, and then you're gonna have to type in the code that is needed for verification. Now, once you're done with your login credentials for the security, you're now going to be taken to this page, which is the login.yahoo.com page. Now, this is your account settings. Now, from here, you're just going to scroll down until you find this view contact information. And then from here, you will be able to see your phone number. So if you already have your phone number, you will be able to see it right here. But if you don't have it yet, you can just click on add phone number right here, and then you can start typing in your phone number here, and then you're just going to click on next. Now, once you click on next, Yahoo will try to verify this by sending you a message or a call, depending on your choice. Now, once you have this verified, you can now have or start having a phone number in your Yahoo account. And that's it. That is how you can change your phone number in your Yahoo Mail. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.